One of the cloud solutions not many people know about is AWS Outpost. An Outpost is a self-contained, fully managed rack of the AWS hardware and services stack, but it's actually installed anywhere you need it. However, that Outpost does not include any of the network connectivity required to link back to its AWS parent region. My name's Kevin. I'm a solution architect at Megaport, and I can help with all things related to cloud connectivity. So think of Outposts like your own dedicated availability zone sitting in your own data center. Customers use them when they need super low latency or may need local infrastructure to comply with regulations for data residency. So industries like financial services, online gaming, sports betting, or even healthcare can take advantage of Outposts. The actual rack comes with compute, storage, and basic networking gear built in. However, the network gear included doesn't support advanced services like dynamic routing, security, or segmentation. These are really important because the Outpost needs what's called a service link to connect back to the AWS parent region. It also needs a local gateway for the data plane so users or other workloads can actually connect to the resources hosted on that Outpost. So the planning and implementation of an Outpost deployment needs to account for the extra networking gear, cross connects, circuits, and connectivity. This is where Megaport can help. If you deploy an Outpost rack into a Megaport-enabled data center, you can plug into our fully virtualized network stack. All of the network services for BGP routing, segmentation, and firewall policies and more can be deployed virtually at the edge of our network. Megaport's platform will deploy resilient connections from your Outpost rack into our network. Then you can set up our cloud router or virtual edge appliance of your choice. From here, you set up AWS Direct Connect links to the parent region for that service link. And then you can deploy additional connections for local gateway services to other CSPs, other data centers, or even to the internet. So this completely fast tracks the deployment process, but it also eliminates costs of extra network hardware, circuits, and data center services. You only need the space and power for the Outpost rack itself. And Megaport is already certified as an AWS Outposts Ready Partner. This means we've already tested and validated the solution for you. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Or if you're going to be at AWS reInvent, stop by the Megaport booth on the expo floor. See you next time. Ciao.